I've got to steal them now.
You have still stolen them, but I was looking the other way. Look up. Hey! He's stolen them!
He's behind you!
He's there! Someone behind me! Give us some more, give us some
Sounds
more.
rough.
Nobody there.
He's behind you!
Give him back!
See? Stop!
She's going the opposite way. So what'd she say? What'd she say?
Bad boy!
Just give him back. I've got no chance to give him up. Can't you pick him up? No. So tell me.
I can't pick them up.
Well, he's not a very good robber, was he? Tell him to give them back.
Give them back to me, please. He's gone. Ah!
Thank you. Yankee.
Hippo! Hippo!
Okay. Good. Good. When it happens, go with the